how we started the journey is we went with one person. Things were going fine, but didn't like any of her ideas and all. We were very upset and were not able to find the right person. And one of our friends suggested that why don't you try Living Cultures. So the first interaction I had with Mansi was very refreshing. It was like she could read my mind. Absolutely what I wanted was in the paper. The colors, everything, you know, how I imagined. Every bit in my house is how I imagine. It's like, it's completely like my dream come true. Every part in my house is absolutely what I thought of and what I dreamed it would look, and that's how you made it. So thank you very much for that.
Yeah, actually there were quite a few things. We were a little particular about few things, like the partition,
Yes.
the TV, the foyer units. So I think Living Cultures and especially Mansi has been able to take care of it completely, and to our satisfaction, how we wanted to see it, I think Mansi has been able to visualize it and put it very nicely on paper, and then later on in terms of 3D designs and all, which came out really beautiful. And I'm really thankful to Mansi and Living Cultures for, you know, bringing this dream house of ours very close to reality. It's as real as I see it, as we see it.
Yes.
So thank you, Mansi, and thanks, Living Cultures.
Thank you.